Drake Ember was just like any other boy his age, except for one thing. He loved dragons. He read about them, drew them, and even dreamed of dragons. One day he met Wendell, the wise wizard in his library, who told him that anyone could become a dragon if they followed a certain set of instructions.
"Ah, my young friend,"
Wendell said.
"to become a dragon, one must first understand the true essence of dragons. They are not just creatures of fire and scales, but of courage and kindness. To become a dragon, you must possess these qualities in your heart."
The wizard smiled and added,
"Remember, a dragon is not just what it appears to be, but what it chooses to be. So choose wisely, and you too can become a dragon in spirit."
The wizard handed Drake an old book that had step-by-step instructions. Start hoarding treasure. This is the first step to becoming a dragon, as all dragons love their riches. Grow some scales. Don't worry if they are not very big at first, they'll grow as you become more dragon-like. Practice breathing fire. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher handy just in case. Get some sharp claws. You can use scissors to help create the perfect dragon claws. Work on your roar. You want to make sure your roar is fearsome and loud enough to make your enemies tremble. Start flying. It may be a bit difficult at first, but with some practice, you'll be soaring through the skies in no time. Build a lair. All dragons need a place to call home, so start digging. Make friends with other dragons. They'll be great allies and can help you learn all the dragon secrets. Get some dragon gear. You'll need a helmet, a suit of armor, and a fearsome sword to help you defend your treasure. Lastly, don't forget to have fun. Being a dragon is all about having a good time, so make sure you enjoy yourself. Drake wrote down his dragon's tales in his own adventure book so the magic would live on. For the true power of magic doesn't come from spells and incantations, but from within the Pendragon. You don't have to be a dragon to have the heart of one. Just be kind, brave, and fierce when it matters. And you'll be a dragon in spirit, no matter what you look like.